So we understood what a joins, right? The combination of like a two or more tables here. It's a connect.
Okay.
So I have a given like some idea is a connecting the dots means like a it's like how to combine the data from the multiple tables into one powerful view. Am I right? What is a powerful view?
Okay.
So this is like this one. You can see my arrow, right? This is a one table. This is a table. It's a like a you can say big table, okay? And it's like small data as a big data, and we have to create. We have to combine the data, and then we got the one table, right? What is here? I have all the explained, but I'm telling you again, okay? So we are the matching, okay? So
Okay.
so it means this is a connecting each other. Then after connecting is so we have they have the relationship between the tables. If
Okay.
relationship between table, that's they are connecting like I tell you. So
Okay.
after getting the marry, you have a make you got a relationship with your husband, and then husband the parents, husband brothers. Am I you relationship?
Yep.
So what does it mean the relationship? There is a any one or like a is a like a primary key and a foreign key which help us to make a relationship, right? Like you
Yep.
married to your husband and then you get a one key. What is a key? It's a marriage. Am I right? Same here.
Okay.
Now I have given the idea. This okay now, right now. So why do we need joins?
In order to connect the data from more table to get a meaningful input.
It's the two things here.
Mm-hmm.
Like a one, we want split. We want a filter. So we
Okay.
have like many columns, and we want few columns or field. Want split
Okay.
or we want filter. So here I have mentioned data is a split. Data will be stored in a customer order and products in separate tables to stay organized and say what in here. So we have a three tables and I want one field. Okay. From each table, so we get the output, right? So we split it right here.
Okay.
Now, before splitting, what we need to join. So what does it mean? The bridge. I would like to know. I told you this, right? This is a bridge. Okay, what is a bridge? Okay, so what is the mean here? Is like a join is the bridge between
Okay.
tables to combine the tables. So our join connect those separate tables so you can see the full picture in one drill set. Am I right? After connecting, after bridging the tables. Am I right?
Got it.
So if you want, like we have a okay, now you have a three tables, a customer order, okay, and a product, and what you have a question, which customer what which item? How can you know? Suppose you have like a three customers, okay, A, B, C, okay.
Okay.
How can you know the A what which product? How do you know B what which product? C what which product? ABC are the customer's name. So, because after joining the list, we can filter.
Okay.
I will teach you. Okay. Now, I have created this scenario. Okay. This scenario is a customer table, right? A and custom
Yeah.
like a order table B. So I have a names the table A. Okay, is a customer table and table B is the order table. So what is the mean? This is like a customer's ID or
Okay.
name. What is the mean here? The customer ID, customer ID, order ID in items, right?
Mm.
Am I right? So what is
Okay.
the customer ID is a 101. Okay. So what is that? Name is alias. Okay. So
Okay.
like this Alice bought what is that? Let
Okay.
okay. So
Okay.
now how can I present it? Right. So here is
Okay.
we know the okay, we have a customer ID 101, 102, 103, 101, 102, right? So this is a
Okay.
mocha. Okay, mocha. What is a mocha? Mocha. This is the same. Alice, what mocha as well?
Use of 1 minute. I'm getting an order call. Just a minute. Just
No problem.
1 minute. Attending.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, Yusuf. Thank you.
So you understood this, but
Yeah, yeah.
we have a Charlie, we have a
Uh,
customer in this order. Okay, table. Charlie didn't buy any product. Am I right?
why you mentioned 101,
Which one?
103, right? Customer ID.
This one, right?
Uh,
101, 102, 101.
yeah, 101. Why you have mentioned there?
I
Is
tell
that
you, because
okay?
Charlie didn't buy any product here. Alice,
Okay.
Alice bought two products, latte and mocha.
Okay. 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 Got it.
So
Got it.
what is the mean here? I understand Alice how many products bought,
Two.
of how many products Charlie bought or not bought. So I have a here the mention Charlie.
Okay. Okay.
One has no order. Is a
Okay. Okay. Okay.
joins, right?
Got it. Got it. Got it.
No. How can we write it this? So I already explained it. Okay.
Uh,
Now I will come here. Right? I have already explained
okay.
this, right? Whole left table. Okay. What is the mean? There is a matching records. What is the matching records from the left table and right table?
Customer ID.
Okay. So I have
Okay.
given this one, make like this. It is a better to understand, right? So it's a matching records from the right table and left table. It is a vote table. Am I right? So we have already created here the customers, okay, and then is like a orders, right? And we have like a used join, right? Okay, I did. Okay, we didn't join, right? We have to join now. How to join? See, no. First, we have to use this. Use 15 June. Am I right?
Okay.
Last 15 June, right? We have to use this data. This.
Okay.
Am I right?
Uh-huh.
Wait a minute. We have. I will write. Today is the 10th. Sorry.
30th. 30th.
30th,
6.
30th June 26, right? Now I will execute this record what table, right?
Customer and
In
order table.
here, I wanted the matching is like an inner join,
Okay.
right? So they have explained here how to do this. What I have already explained here. What is the matching? What here, right? So now they have applied the same. So now in my table, what should I do? Like a select, or I mean to make here like a from. What is from? Customer, customers, same customer, right? Or customer one? Yeah, customer. What?
Customer.
Yeah. So why I make like this? I tell you. So I can give the alias the C. What is it?
Okay.
I don't need to write to customer. I can write a C only.
Okay.
So I have given the name C of the customer in a short name, so you can understand. Now, what do you want here? You have to check whose customer bought which product, right?
Okay.
So like I want the customer ID. So what I'm going to mean C and dot. What does it mean? A customer ID is came already here. So it means because I'm presenting by C, C is the alias of the customer. Well, okay, I can write like this as like customer dot like this. I can write. Am I right? But instead of this,
Mm-hmm.
I want to make easy to write. So I can
Mm-hmm.
see. Now I want a customer ID. I want to show the customer ID, or I want to display customer ID and the name as well. C dot name.
Okay.
Anything else you want here,
Um, Not in customer.
or like a name? Oh, sorry, phone number, mobile number, right?
Mobile number.
It
Okay.
is enough
C
for
dot
me.
mobile number.
Is enough for me
Okay.
to
Yeah,
connect,
okay.
connect with them, right?
Uh-huh.
How can you connect if you have a my
Mobile number.
right mobile number? Now,
Mm-mm.
so here customer ID. Now, what is the mean here? You can understand. So what is the inner join? As I told you, you can mean say inner join or join only, right?
Uh-huh.
Join means is also inner join, right?
Okay.
What is
Okay.
the mean here? Orders ID, right? Like see,
Okay.
join, let's join. What is our table name? What is it? We have
Order.
orders. We can make a orders. Already came, right?
Orders. Oh.
Because these data is stored properly and we are getting the reference. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, you can create a new table. You won't get this.
Okay.
I make is a I give the alias like O.
Okay.
Am I right?
Okay.
So O, and then what they are telling here? They are telling they need a unique ID. What is a unique ID, right? In which is
Okay.
in both. Am I right?
Okay.
So what we will do here? What is a unique ID here? Is a customer ID.
Customer ID.
The
Mm.
unique here.
Okay.
What we will do this here? We will do. You can see again. So what does it mean here? We can use the on. What is the on? On. We are talking about table. What is the table? Is C dot
Customer table.
customer ID.
C dot customer ID.
Then is a equal. We have to make a balance. Then O dot
Mm.
is a customer ID.
Customer ID. Mm.
And I want here more things. Okay. Wait a minute. So I want the product name as well now because I have used this order. Okay, so order means I have to what we can use O dot what
Product
is
name.
order ID you want, or you want order is a
Name.
product name,
Product name.
or you want the quantity O dot quantity,
Quantity.
right? If
Mm-hmm.
you want to make more easy, you can like write this like
Mm.
am I right? So A C, okay, two times I wrote the name, right?
Name you.
Mobile number, okay. We want mobile number, right?
Mm.
What mobile number? Am I right?
Uh-huh.
Now, if I run this query, then
We will get the table
what?
in a joint table.
So what does that mean? Because already mentioned the status here. So what column? It means we split it the columns. Okay, right? Split column means
Join into one table.
right in a one table, and
Uh,
I want the right information is a necessary information.
Okay.
Am I right?
Got it.
So you understood this? How can we use the join?